Welcome back to the backyard. Got another fine day going on here. It's a beautiful morning. We're gonna finish up the cab on that F350. We got another little small job coming in. It's a little car with a roof and front bumper. Gonna clean that up, take care of it. Just follow along, ride our day with it. Let's go. All right, we had a little change up today. My buddy brought his daughter's car in. As you can see, it's a Honda Accord here. Brought it in to get somebody dropped the basketball hoop on top of it, put a dent in it. And I thought I was recording all this, but I didn't get to record it all. Apparently, I checked my video and I missed everything from the car getting here and all this morning and everything. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing now that I found out that I wasn't recording. So check it out. This is what we got. So right up here, as you can see, there's a couple of dents. I already started working on them. And the hoop hit up there. And then we said while we're fixing that, they had a little scratch here on the bumper. Then another little scratch over here on the bumper. We got some putty on it, and you can see up there on the top. So from now on, yeah, we'll keep you updated on this car. It'll be gone by today. But just for now, yeah, we'll get back at it and you can see what we're doing. Like I said, everything is missing on the recording apparently, so this is what we got, and we'll get back on the truck tonight after we get done with this. All right, what we're gonna do here, since I just hit it with light putty, we're gonna go over 320 DA, just enough to clean it up, and you'll never notice it being there. Not gonna block it, not gonna do any of that crap, because it's just a bumper, and nobody's gonna notice it. Alright, that feels good. That one's ready for prime. Alright, same thing here. Just gonna hit it down 320. Get it down to where the scratches are all gone. It'll be alright. Got some little Bondo whipped up. We're gonna put a little skim coat on that, and that should take care of the final on this. Gonna put it on pretty decent. Or we can sand it all the way through. We'll let that dry out and come back sand it one more time. I think it should be pretty good.
Got that aftermarket wing on there, huh?
What's that?
The aftermarket wing.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah.
All right.
Kind of like mine. That's kind of like mine.
That's all black too.
Yeah, this one's black though.
All right, folks. Esty showed up. He's behind the camera. He's gonna be recording for me. You're gonna see him here in a little bit, but he's gonna record. Probably be a little better view. Brought me some over. Looks pretty good. I hate scuffing bumpers. The fucking worst. I was gonna do the headlights, but I'm like, man, I don't know.
On the top where half of it is dry, half of it is wet. Does that mean the wet needs to be sanded down a little?
No, that's all sanded. It's just the last part I did. Yeah, get more water real quick. Well, she's looking good. She'll be ready to paint tomorrow morning. Here's some of the work. See how clean it came out. Straight, not too bad. Bumpers. So that's gonna dry it off and then paint this thing in the morning. It's the front, okay.
Let me share with you a few things about reliability of these. Kind of a summary of the body guide. These are beautiful cars. They're very exclusive. If only there's one thing their operating expenses a little bit higher. first thing is, before we even get to the mechanical stuff, your insurance will do with your product.
All right, done for the day. Got that little Honda ready to go. Gonna paint that in the morning. I know there's some stuff we skipped. Just got a little busy working on it, but got the truck back in. We just sat on a truck, pull it out, put the Honda in the morning, and then get back on it. See you tomorrow.